Alright, here we are. Just happened to get caught with some bad news that came out on AKAM around 12:30. It wasn't even AKAM's news, Alchemy's news. It was another company saying that they're going to cut prices on their technology. I guess it's the same technology that AKM uses, which is going to cause a pricing war. And so AKM sold off into this news. It dropped. It was actually performing great until this news hit the wires. This other company says they're going to be dropping their prices. So I guess they're concerned this is going to cause a price war with AKM and Lightwave, I believe. Lightwave is another company that's in the same field. I don't know. Don't know the technical term for whatever they do, but they have to do with something with their CD something. Anyway, so we got that sell off. I figured, we got a little bounce here. I got out of it. I wanted to get out of it on this bounce. I just don't like to have that bad news hanging over me. Now we're consolidating on its lows. We might actually take another drop down here. And if we do, maybe I'll pick up some. We'll start a position again, and hopefully tomorrow they come out with some news saying that this is not going to affect them or whatever. So maybe we get a little bounce down and we add to the position there. But a little bad news hit this one. It's a shame because I still like the gap up above this, but right now, it's funny how stock is moving so nice and all of a sudden this news comes out and it drops it. Funny. Hot topic. I just took a position in Hot Topic. I just want to get this out here. This is the daily chart. Actually, I had a nice move from 728 to 850, so we could get a pullback here. But what you're seeing here is very little W pattern, very slight W pattern here. All right, it's not the best defined one, but it is actually. You have you have the W here. It's one line. It comes up, down, up. So where do we put that trend line in here? We could put it in here, but we don't really have a pullback. We need it, But I like to see the W pattern hit this middle line here. So if we put it in there, and then it would pretty much come right down to this one here. So we went down, W'd out, then we're breaking through. So we could actually put it here also. But we missed a couple days on this. We missed a nice little run from 780 to 849. But it still looks pretty good here. So I took a 200 share position at 850 right now, and we're going to see how far we can take this one. See if we get some momentum in this one. See if there's any more strength in it. I still like this one as a bottoming pattern, and coming into the Christmas buying season, the Hot Topic might be a play. AMRI, just took a small position, 50 shares, because I like this. It's a biotech stock. I'm not saying that it's going anywhere. I don't know anything about it. I just bought a 50 share on this cup and handle here that we were making, and I think we could break through the $17 area. We could probably go higher on some volume. So I don't know if we're going to do it today. Just one to put on your watch list. Pfizer. We're out of Pfizer. We went up to 25.50. Took the profits. Look at that pullback off of that. So they're very good to take those profits off. I don't know if I'm getting these all out on the videos of my moves. I'm also doing it on the radio. So if you're missing a lot of these moves, you could tune in on DayTraderRadio.com. That's DayTraderRadio.com. And just listen in, because it's hard to do both. I'm trying to dedicate my time to do the videos and do the radio, but I find that I'm probably concentrating more on the radio now because I'm just sitting here and talking and trading. So it's hard to juggle all three things. OMTR, pass. I want to pass on that one right now. The NMX, remember we had this one, we moved up, sold off right to this support line. We called it support line. We moved right up to 134.70, and now we're pulling back. Love to see this one hold off on this area right here. Actually, I would like to see this one hold this area right here and start heading up. But again, if you have profits, it's probably always good to take them. This market looks like it's getting kind of weak here. It's not going to make any big moves. Remember, we have RIM after the market. Here's the AKAM consolidating at its lows. I don't like it anymore. Citibank, this is a daily chart, so we're right up near resistance here. So we tried to break through that resistance. We couldn't get through it, so we're pulling back off of this. We actually have a could actually pull back into this pattern before we make an attempt higher. But I still like Citibank here, so I'm holding on to my shares. Apple sold off on some kind of weirdness earlier, and now then we consolidated, moved a little higher, and now we're just basing out here. Well, this is yet to see what's going to happen with this one too. Microsoft, again, nice formation here. We're holding positions in Microsoft. I expect this one to move above 30. IMMR, holding a position here, nothing else. And I just wanted to mainly get that hot topic alert out to you, and that's about it right now. We're going to grab something to eat. The DXD, I think this market is actually going to go back down to 1550 on the ES, retest those lows and probably break through and go down another 10 points in reverse. But keep it tuned to Day Trader Radio, DayTraderRadio.com, and I'll try to keep you entertained that way. Remember, you could email me at ironaction@yahoo.com or give me any feedbacks on Yahoo. We need Intel. Got bit by an ant. Damn. Intel looks like a buy right here at 25.50. I like it. I might actually buy a little bit more here. All right, that's enough for now. We'll continue on.